So I always need to start using the law of cosines if I don't have an angle and side matching up. If I don't know like side A and angle A, I can't use the law of sines if I don't have any pairs. And so if they give you all three sides and they say, I want to find all three angles, I need to use the law of cosines first. So step one is to use the law of cosines to find the angle opposite the longest side. Then I'm going to use the law of sines to find either of the other two angles, and then I'm going to find the third angle by subtracting from 180. So if I've got side A is 6, B is 9, and C is 4, I'm going to start off by finding angle B. So again, I have my formulas written off to the side. So I'm just going to look here to find angle B. So side B is 9. So 9 squared, I'm just going to write 81. So 9 squared is 81 equals A squared, so 6 squared, which is 46, plus C squared, which is 4 squared, which is 16, minus 2 times A, which is 6, times C, which is 4, times cosine of B. And so that B is what I'm solving for. So just be a little bit careful with your order of operations here. So 81 equals 36 plus 16. It's 52 minus 6 times 4 is 24 times 2 is 48. Cosine of B. Okay. If the next thing you do is take 52 minus 48, you're going to get the wrong answer. So the first thing that I need to do, because this 52 is separated by the B with subtraction, and this 48 is with multiplication. So the first thing I need to do is subtract 52. So 81 minus 52 is 29 equals negative 48 cosine of B. I'm going to divide by negative 48. So I'm going to take 29 divided by negative 48. And I'm not going to round yet. Equals the cosine of B. And so in order to get B by itself in this case, I'm going to take the cosine inverse. So when I take second cosine of answer, it's going to tell me that B, does it tell me to write up to the nearest whole number? It doesn't tell me. Let's see what we did last time. We ran angles to the nearest whole number, so this is 127 degrees. So we found that angle B was 127 degrees. Step 2, use the law of sines to find either of the two remaining, so it does not matter which one you pick. I'll pick A. So the next thing I'm going to do is find angle A. And I don't need to use the law of cosines because I know angle B and side B. So I'm going to set up at 9 over the sine of 127 equals A, or sorry, side A, which is 6, over sine of A, angle A, like that. So I'm going to cross multiply. 9 times sine of A equals 6 times sine of 127. I'm going to divide by 9. So sine of A is going to be equal to 6 times sine of 127 divided by 9 is that. So I'm just going to do sine inverse of that answer. And it's going to tell me, so I already took sine inverse, that angle A is 32 degrees. So now angle A is 32 degrees. And then once I know two of the angles, I can find the third one, 180 minus 127 minus 32. So I'm going to take 180 minus 127 minus 32. I get 21 degrees for angle C. So I found all three angles. And then this practice problem here, I will tell you the answer, so then that way you can check your work. Angle A is 52 degrees. Angle B was actually the one you had to find first because B is the longest side, is 98 degrees. And then angle C is 30 degrees.